Zach with Formula Z, and I'm so excited to finally be sharing with you my next product collection. The brand new, drumroll please, Luxe Diamond Glosses from Formula Z. And I'm so excited to finally be sharing these with you because these are such a special formula packed with so many antioxidants and amazing, magical, exotic, lush oils to enhance your lips. And they are filled with intense shine and luminous sparkle infused with shea butter, sunflower, and jojoba oils. So these really enhance your natural lips, or they can be used to magically alter or transform our Forever Lips liquid lipstick. This formula is so amazing because it goes on so glossy, it stays on all throughout the day, and it's totally non-sticky, non-goopy, but it's also not thin, so it doesn't come off straight away, which is what I like, and which is why I took a little bit when coming out with these, because I wanted the formula to be 100% perfect. It's infused with shea butter, sunflower, and are mega packed with jojoba oils, and they deliver intense shine and luminous sparkle, and they totally enhance your natural lips or transform our Forever Lips liquid lipstick. So you can wear them by themselves, or you can top them on top of a liquid lipstick, and they come in these 4 gorgeous colors: Obsessed, Superstar, Prodigy, and Boss. So the first color I'm totally obsessed with is, you guessed it, I named it Obsessed, and it is a gorgeous peachy nude with a champagne sparkle. You can wear this color every day, taking the kids to school, going to work. I do wear this every day, and I'm totally obsessed with this color. The next shade that I'm going to be talking about is Boss, which is an irresistible rose gold shimmer. And this does have multi-reflective pearls in it, so when the light captures it, it definitely does give the glossy, dazzling lip gloss effect, as all of these gorgeous 4 shades do. And the next shade that I'm loving is called Prodigy, which is a glittering light pink. And it is so great because it does look a little pink in the component, but when you actually put it on the lips, it is so sheer, yet so dazzling. It hits the light in all the right ways. And the next shade that I'm completely obsessed with is called Superstar, and it is a dazzling multi-reflective magenta. I love this shade so much, and I can't wait for you guys to try out Formula Z's new Luxe Diamond Glosses. And of course, as always, the formula is 100% all-inclusive, cruelty-free, vegan and gluten-free and paraben-free. If you want to check out any other product specs or descriptions, go to our website at formulazcosmetics.com. I can't wait to see you guys in some of our retail locations that Formula Z will be located in soon. And I will keep everyone posted. See you guys in the next video. Bye!